Hi guys, welcome to Up. So the question is how you can grasp the knowledge of a book in only few minutes. So here is one of the greatest website or an application where you can actually grasp the supreme knowledge of a book in just a few minutes. So let's type here Blinkist. When you type Blinkist, the first page comes. You need to click on that page. So I have installed the application. Now it opens directly in the application. So there we go, we are currently in the Blinkist. So the thing about Blinkist is it has a fee. If you cannot pay the fee, you can try it for 7 days trial. After that, if you love it, you can go for the upgradation and you can pay the amount of fees. Actually, the amount of the fee is what this services this website provides. Now if we come to the yearly and the monthly subscription, in the monthly it will charge you 1550 rupee, or maybe approximately $10, and in the yearly it charges you 829 per month. So relatively, if you look at the prices, if you only choose the opt and go for the monthly subscription, then you will be charged more than if you go for the yearly subscription, and in that case you would be charged less than the original monthly price. So that was about the price. Now what Blinkist actually is it is a platform where you get blanks, where you get the supreme ideas of the books. For example, if you see here are one decision is the book and written by Mike Bayer. It is 22 minutes audio and 7 blanks are there. You can read the summary. Now you can see that these are locked because I did not opt for premium membership. So far, if I go for choosing the premium membership and clear the payment, then I would get the access to some of the books that I cannot get access even if I basic, which is not paid one. So in the basic case, you will get every day one box blanks for free, but these books are not the book that you maybe want to listen. So I highly recommend that you go for the payment and for the subscription if you really want to get the ideal books that you want to read. So in Blinkist it will take you only 20 minutes or something like that to just finish and get the main idea of the book. So it's really a great choice. You can also opt for trying the 7 days free trial, and after that, if you love it, there you go, you can opt for the membership, premium membership, and you can actually learn a great amount of knowledge. And personally, if you ask for my opinion, so my opinion is that Blinkist is actually a great platform. I mean that here you can, here it saves a lot of your time. It saves actually a lot of your time. So that was it for today. It was a short video, and in the future we are going to publish great videos here. If you like it, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell after subscribing the channel, and share the video so that many people get to know about this amazing application and go for actually reading a book in just matter of 20 minutes maybe. Thank you.